Welcome, my dear students and friends. I hope you are fine. If you want to be a good fluent speaker, so you need daily practice. Without practice your English, you cannot grow, you cannot speak properly. In beginning level, you make many mistakes, but don't bother it. If you think I shall, when I shall perfect in English, then I start my journey. You know that the perfect time never come. If you think I start tomorrow, after tomorrow, you know that you will tell lie with yourself. So you believe on yourself. If you have something, you start with your capability, with your level, at your present level. You make many mistakes at beginner level, in beginner level. You make many mistakes in beginner level, but you need courage and believe on yourself. Without belief on yourself, you cannot grow, you cannot do anything. If you want to, if you want something, you need to do something. Without doing something, you cannot get anything. And if you have a big aim, big mission, I think if you want to be a speaker, English speaker, English language speaker, fluent speaker, so at first level, in beginning level, you start your journey without fear. Without fear. You don't fear from anybody, any people, nobody. At first, in first level, in beginning level, nobody believe on yourself because they know your capability. But you know that you have capability, you have patience, you have resilience. So in beginning level, you start your journey with simple sentence that you know. In beginning level, it is the most powerful level. When a start any engine in beginning level need more effort, more power. When I start any engine, like our English journey, if you want to be a fluent speaker, in beginning level you need more practice, more patience. English journey not a 1 month journey. Is this journey, if there are a honeybee, my dear students and friends, there are a honeybee. I show in my main topic. If you want to be a speaker, you at first believe on yourself. You need courage and patience and resilience. Without patience, without courage, without resilience, you cannot do anything, my dear students and friends. At first level, you make many mistakes. Don't fear from anybody. Mistakes is a part of your life. Without mistakes, nobody can perfect. If you want to be a perfect speaker, at first level, you make many mistakes. It is natural thing. Everybody, every successful person make mistakes. If you want to be a successful people, so it is part of your life. Okay. So my dear students and friends, it is your time to start your journey. Start your English journey, spoken English journey. Don't fear from anybody. Don't fear from the time, society, the situations. You can overcome everything. But if you have need courage, you do everything. But if you have not any interest and you think I will, when I will proper, I shall proper, then I start my journey, you know that it is totally lie thing. You speak on yourself. Okay, my dear students and friends. So you start from your beginning level. From today, your journey, your spoken English journey. Okay, you need courage and proper way, proper guidance. So my dear students and friends, you are the master in the field. So you believe on yourself and start your journey. One day you will be success on your journey. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, take care.